So when we look at the flexible budget, we looked at the variances, we looked at whether items are favorable or unfavorable. One thing we can do additionally is look at when an item should be investigated. It would be up to management to benchmark an item. So in this case, management has set 10% variance for investigation. So this is called management by exception. So we don't have to investigate every little difference, but if it's large enough that management thinks it should be investigated, we should do so. Now, this can also be numbers. Now, these numbers are small, so we could get wide percentage variances. So let's take a look at it. So our variance percentage for direct labor, we're going to take our variance. Now, we're looking at why our budgets are off, and we're not going to divide it by actual, we're going to divide it by the flexible budget. We want to know why our flexible budget was off from what actually happened. So this is 16%, so that's over the 10, so we're going to investigate that. And then we have the direct material, so we're going to take the 9100 and divide it by the 16.4, and we get a whopping 55%. So we're definitely going to investigate that. And again, the numbers are small, so we can end up with very large percentages because of that. So if the numbers were larger, management may look for a dollar amount. So for our power, it's 107%, so clearly we'd want to investigate that. For the variable payroll, we had an $820 favorable variance, and that comes out to be 7%. So management says we don't have to investigate that. Now, again, these are a result of this, so it doesn't have as much meaning because whatever we find out here would help us determine that. But to just finish it out, take a look at it. So that's 27%. This is 44%. So just to fill this out, we're going to say yes, although we know that investigating these will give us the answers we're looking for down here. And the same with this one. Okay. Now again, small numbers, that's why we have such large percentages. Okay. But by doing a flexible budget, it can help us find this information and we can investigate variances we feel are appropriate, thus allowing us to budget better the next year around. Thank you for your attention.